for 167.9 megahertz. This antenna is optimized for gain with equal spacing on every element. So let's check the antenna configuration. This is a folded dipole driven antenna. So this is the folded dipole element. Each element is attached to the boom but can be dismantled by removing the bolts and nuts on each element. This is the connection for the driven element. All are detachables except for the boom, which cannot be collapsed. All the elements holder are attached to the boom, and the screws, the bolts and nut can be removed for safekeeping the elements. So let's check the frequency response of the antenna. The feed point is an SO239 connector fed with a 3-port wavelength coaxial cable exiting to the center of the folded dipole and connected on both ends. This is now connected to my antenna analyzer. What I mean with optimized for gain is the antenna can be used within the 10 MHz bandwidth with minimal pattern distortion, or the gain will remain constant at the front at around 10 dB. So this antenna is optimized for gain from 162.9 to 172.9 megahertz. So let's check the center frequency of the antenna, which is the intended frequency which the antenna will be used. As we can see from here, we have 167.9 megahertz with VSWR of 1.1 or 1.055. The impedance is 47 ohms and the S11 is minus 31. Phase angle is around 180. That is changing because the cars are passing at the front of the antenna. But if no cars are passing, that will be constant at 180 or around 180 phase angle. So this is the frequency curve. As we can see from here, let me just move my position because we have glare. This is the frequency curve. We have 162.9 at the lowest end of the band and 172.9 at the highest end of the band. So the lowest frequency deep is around 168.3 megahertz. As we can see from the antenna analyzer response, which is a little bit off by around 2 to 3 megahertz. But it is perfectly usable on the center frequency 167.9. On 167.9, the exact VSWR is around 1.053 or 1.1 VSWR. The exact dip is 1.02 VSWR, which is perfectly usable. Impedance is around 50 ohms on the exact center frequency. Antenna resistance is 50 ohms. VSWR is 1.02. Let's check the S11. Reactance is 1.2 ohms. And S11 is minus 37 dB. Very good performance of the antenna. So this is the final build of my 5 elements Yagi antenna, optimized for gain for 167.9 megahertz. This antenna is going to San Mateo, Rizal, to be used for weather monitoring. Thank you for watching.